So that's the end of the presentation. But the important thing about this project is actually the policy implications of this work. 17 St Augustine's Road is going to cost something of the order of £60,000 for the extra that's needed to bring it down to beyond Part L. If we had to do that investment to all the stock, all the millions of houses, who would bear the cost? How would it be done? Is there the training in the construction industry to do that? How will it impact on the heritage of the UK? All these questions have to be addressed, and we need to ask these questions and seek the answers now. 17 St Augustine's Road was primarily funded by Camden Council, who funded the construction and refurbishment of the building, and Urban Buzz, who funded the research and dissemination of information from the project. Other partners include Kingspan, who provided the installation, Sustainable Energy Academy, who are staffing and keeping the house open every Sunday afternoon in the period when the house is vacant, so that members of the public can see the house, so that they can learn from it, really. The contractor was Lengards, who have been very committed to the project, as have Landers, the consultants. 17 St Augustine's Road is developing new techniques, not so much the technologies like solar PV and solar thermal, but actually how to get insulation fitted in a refurbishment of a building. So these techniques need to be learned by the construction industry. Lengards, the contractors, have learned some of these as part of doing the work, but other contractors can learn from it as well by coming to seminars about 17 St Augustine's Road, visiting the house. And one of the important things is the house will be open for 5 months until end of October 2008. In future, I think it's important for more houses of this sort to be built by as many different contractors as possible in as many different places, because the sooner we get these techniques embedded into the way contractors build, the better.
My name is David Cobb. I'm the Programme Director for Urban Buzz. Urban Buzz is a UCL-led knowledge exchange programme that lasts just 2 years in the field of building sustainable communities. UCL is one of the established universities. Urban Buzz itself has only been around for 2 years. It's a very short impact programme which funds 28 projects in the field of building sustainable communities. Urban Buzz itself is an impact programme. It has a life of 2 years, and I think increasingly there'll be more impact programmes like this. It exists solely to get the knowledge that's embedded in universities out there by creating practical evidence-based tools that people involved in delivering sustainable communities can use. The world is a rapidly changing place, and sustainable communities and sustainability is no exception. People want all the time to lower the amount of energy consumption to save the planet. There are issues about how to capture information from communities. It's a very dynamic, fast-changing world. And this is why people look to the universities to carry out the research. But now, Urban Buzz, for example, is taking that research and translating it into useful tools and processes that the practitioners themselves can use and feed back into delivering sustainable communities.